大家好. So today I'm going to introduce three number in China. They have a very special meaning. The first is number 4, 四. The pronunciation of this number is quite similar to Chinese character 死, dead. So definitely this number is not so good for Chinese person, and we try to avoid to use this number 四 as many as possible. The second number is 6, 六, and there's a Chinese phrase 六大顺, which means it doesn't matter what you do and what you want to make, it's so simple and so easily and so successful for you all the time. So number 6, 六 in China is really a lucky number for Chinese people. And third number is 8, 八. This number, the pronunciation is quite similar to Chinese character 发, which means 发财, getting rich. Of course, people want to get rich and buy many things they want. So this number 8 is also a very lucky number for Chinese people. So we can see 四, bad number for Chinese. But 6 and 8 are quite lucky number. Chinese always want to have this number in their life. For example, you can see many car plates, they have this number 六 and 八. And also you can see there are many mobile phone numbers have this 6 and 8. And if you are in China and you want to have this lucky number in your car plates or in your mobile phones, you need to pay additionally.